Ipinapahayag ko si Shang Fan and Katrina Bigornia Muego ay mag-asawa na sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak at Espiritu Santo. Ang pinag-isa ng Diyos ay huwag paghiwalayin ni numan.
I'm not looking for the answer. I don't need to right the wrong. I'm not looking for redemption. We were flying under setting sun. The past behind can't outrun what was done. The past behind can't outrun what was done.
Nagkakilala kami sa Soler, pareho kaming nag-work doon. Tapos unang meet namin nung kumain kami sa kantin. Sobrang bait, tapos alam ko yung, kasi kahit wala siyang father, alam ko yung pagmamahal niya sa family. Tapos pinaparamdam niya rin sa amin na hindi lang ako yung mahal niya rin yung family ko.
亲爱的，请你记住，我会一直爱你。 不管是因为什么原因，我都会站在你身边，保护你。我爱你，宝贝。
Celebrate with Fan and Trina for the new journey and new generation of their life. Na ang Diyos dapat ang siyang maging sentro ng ating pag-ibigan.
Thank you for being there for me, even I know I am not easy to hold on. I love to continue this life with you and to grow old with you. I promise to treat you well with honesty, respect, love, and to support you to make us happy. Shang Fan, I am the happiest that I could be. I love you.
Ikaw, Trina, tinatanggap po ba ang lalaking ito upang maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinakda ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan at tanging sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalaway nabubuhay?
Opo.
Buong karangalan kong ipinapakilala sa inyong lahat ang bagong kasal na sina Mr. and Mrs. Fan Shang